I'm Steve Levy, the Managing Director of Handy Dries, and today I want to introduce you to our new freestanding hand sanitizer module. This new freestanding hand sanitizer module has been designed to be heavyweight and heavy duty. It's made from 304 stainless steel. It's very, very thick material. It's quite a heavy unit, and it's not going to blow over or fall over of its own accord. However, if you look at the base of the unit, you'll see that it does actually have two cutouts in it, which enable you to bolt it to the floor or put it on with wing nuts even, so it can be easily removed if one wanted to do that. The unit is operated by a simple foot pedal. So by putting my foot on here and depressing it, it automatically puts pressure on the top of the pump and the sanitizer is disposed here. So if I put my hand underneath, put my foot on the pump, and I get a measured amount of sanitizer so that I can quickly sanitize my hands and I'm ready to go. Security-wise, it's important that nobody tampers with the liquid inside or steals the bottle. So you'll notice this small hole here. It comes with this hex nut, and it's designed that you can lock the unit. Personally, I put a small combination padlock on it. It means you don't have to run around with a hex key, and anybody that knows a combination can change the bottle. This sanitizing pod is designed to take virtually any kind of sanitizing bottle of all sorts of different shapes and sizes. So if we have a look here, they've got this flap on the top. If I quickly remove that, then you'll see the bottle inside, and that lifts out, and it's held in place by this very simple stand. So if we take the bottle out, what we have is a plate that it sits on and just 3 bolts in a variety of holes. Now that means if we want to, we can put in a bottle that's got a square base on it, rectangular base, or indeed, as we've got here, a round base. And what we're aiming to do here is to bring the unit as far forward as possible to allow the nozzle then to extend as far as possible over to the edge of the unit. This particular setup, we've used a very tall bottle of liquid. It's a 1 litre bottle, and it stands about this high. However, the unit is quite capable of using much, much smaller bottles or different shaped bottles, in which case, simply on an adjustment here, we can move this rod, all different settings here, to allow us to use bottles from this sort of height all the way up to here. So here we're using a 1 litre bottle of sanitizing gel. It's 80% alcohol. That's what we recommend to use with the unit to avoid any blockages in the nozzle. So simply, if I was going to put this unit together now, I take out the unit in the middle here. I pop the sanitizer into the gap here between the screws. I lower that back in here. I get the metal plate, I slide that through, job done.